So we know that inflammation, it is the root cause of so many different diseases and ailments, from allergies to arthritis to high blood pressure. All are rooted in inflammation in the body. Well, you know there's a natural solution for inflammation, right? Well, got a juice recipe I want you to try. So for this recipe, we have pineapple, lemon, celery, romaine lettuce, ginger, turmeric, and we're gonna add some spirulina. That's it. Ready? Let's go. So we got 5 stalks of celery, and we got 4 leaves of romaine lettuce. We're gonna add 1 lemon peeled. We're gonna add a half of a pineapple. Then we're going to add about 1 inch of ginger and this is about 2.5 inches of turmeric. And then once we're finished juicing, we're going to add about 1 teaspoon of spirulina. Now spirulina has so many benefits. It aids in depression, reduces pain sensitivity, helps to purify your blood. It's a great source of amino acids, reduces stress naturally, and it also helps to increase your metabolism. So this is some good stuff, but we'll add that after we finish juicing. Now that we are finished prep, now it's time to juice. And there you have it. Cheers.